Hi, this is Tom Essaye from Money and Markets TV. The world has been focused on the ongoing sovereign debt crisis in Europe and the escalating tensions in the Mideast. But it was a quiet agreement between Canada and China 2 weeks ago that may prove to be one of the most momentous events of the year. The two countries conducted their most fruitful trade meeting in years and agreed in principle to a Foreign Investment Promotion and Protection Agreement, or FIPA. It will set a broad legal framework for ensuring equitable treatment of foreign investors in both countries. In other words, assuming the deal is ratified by both countries, Canadian investors will now assume much less risk when investing in China, and vice versa. There's no question that closer cooperation between our closest trading partner and our biggest economic rival is bad news for the United States. But it's very good news for Canadian companies. Specifically, mining and energy firms will see increased demand for their exports from China's growing economy. And rails and shipping companies will reap the benefits of transporting those natural resources overseas. But while the new agreement will pay off in the long term for both China and Canada, another deal could make a more immediate splash. The countries agreed to amend a 1994 nuclear accord and allow Canadian uranium companies to export to China. According to the World Nuclear Association, Chinese uranium demand is set to explode over the next decade, quadrupling by 2020 as more power plants come online. But it's not just China that's expanding its nuclear energy generation. The industry may get a boost in the United States as well. The Nuclear Regulatory Commission approved the first new power plant in this country since 1979, which will be built by the Southern Company in Georgia. One way to play this potential growth in nuclear power demand is through uranium miners, which have severely underperformed since the Fukushima disaster in Japan last year. While the coast isn't totally clear for nuclear power or uranium miners, companies such as Cameco could be a great contrarian investment that should profit from increased nuclear power here in the United States and increased uranium exports from Canada. I'm Tom Essaye from Money and Markets TV, and thanks for watching.